storage shelf.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get it installed. This is a fantastic product, but the user manual is not the best. It has a massive 1,500 pounds loading capacity. There's so many other models to choose from and accessories like pegboard, and this is the user manual with instructions. You can pause the video and read about it if you're interested. The package is very heavy and all the legs and supporting structures are very well made. I read a lot of positive reviews on Amazon saying it's bomb-proof, and let's see how it works. The hex wrench and a wrench is also included for installation. I laid out all the pieces so it's easier to understand how everything comes together. Hopefully this review will give you a very good idea of how everything comes together. It's worth mentioning that a hex bit is also included, so you can take advantage of an impact driver to speed up the installation process. However, I would still recommend hand tightening using the included hex wrench just to make sure you don't damage the frame. I used a piece of 2x4 to hammer the horizontal stretch into place, and this is really a two-person job when the first piece was connected. All the other 5 pieces went in pretty quickly just by using hand and a little bit of hammering, and no other tools required for this installation. It is already very sturdy at this point. I'm surprised to find out there are tons of redundancy built in to really increase the strength of this unit, not only by adding more shelving support, but also there are safety straps with nuts to really reinforce the structure to make sure it never comes apart during normal use. It's better to start from the bottom, but I already have the top unit installed, so I had to flip it over and install the security straps. Each shelf has 3 supporting bars for the deck. Again, no tools required, simply put them into the slot and we're ready for the laminate deck. I think those decks are made from MDFs, however, they are very strong and scratch resistant. The surface is pretty tough. There are 12 security pins to be inserted into each joint where the stretcher connects to the main frame, and this is just another proof that DeWalt really thought this through and made sure it is a bomb-proof unit and there will be no accidents when you will just accidentally disconnect the joint. Lastly, there's an additional safety feature where you can connect the shelving unit to the drywall, making it less likely to tip over under high load or during an earthquake. Finally, I still have 2 parts left. I believe those are used to connect or stacking up 2 units together. I simply stored them in the back of the frame so I don't lose them. The whole installation process took about 30 minutes. Hopefully after watching this video, it could save you some time. It turned out to be great. Now I can basically throw anything at it without worrying about breaking the storage rack. I have heavy batteries, air fryers, and more to come.